Hello everyone and welcome to our website where I'm going to showcase the groundbreaking tool that we've developed which converts text and shapes into Braille characters. The tool is specifically designed to aid people with visual impairments, yes, the blind people, and it's incredibly easy to use. At our core, we believe that technology should be accessible to everyone, including those with visual impairments. That's why we developed this Braille converter tool, which is just one step towards our goal. And the best part, it's simply easy to use. Now, talking about the design of our website, a dark background with a green accent represents the world of visually impaired individuals. Their darkness and shadows dominate. Their world is a bit darker than us, but creative maybe. And this image without eyes serves as a reminder that individuals with visual impairments experience the world through senses other than light. As you can see, the design is minimalist and easy to understand. We have placed a navigation bar on top to make users easy to redirect to the contents of the page, and we used Bootstrap, which is a powerful framework that allows to create responsive websites. This makes sure that the tool is accessible on a wide range of devices including smartphones and tablets. Now let's move on to our tool. Our tool is built using .NET technology, which allows us to implement classes and system architecture to ensure that it's efficient and reliable. We also use architectural diagrams to help us visualize the structure of the tool and to identify any potential issues before they arise. This is the workspace where we are going to create our shape. This is the tool and the menu which has the functions to create the shape. So it's just simple. We have a small menu where we can print and we can share, and we have also used the beta version of tool which will explain later. It's a kind of drawing tool. So it's simple. We should select the shape into parameters, convert whatever type of text we want, change the sizes of the text and this one. Required ink, we can calculate the required ink that's going for the shape and the cost of printing. So let's try. So selecting the shape, and here it says it's square, and we can type anything we want, like hi, this is a square. So it's converted into Braille and it's put here. Let's copy this and paste it here. Oh yeah, it's perfect. So let's do it again. This time we're going to change the font size. Whoa, it's simple. So now let's create a shape. Select a shape from the drop down menu, enter the parameters, let's say 6, and click generate. There you go, we get a shape here. So now let's try with the circle, example 7, generate. Yeah, that's there you go. So the blind people can actually touch and feel. So this text is actually, let's see what it is. It's Braille. Yeah, there you go. It says the radius and the area in dot count. So we'll input some text here. Hi, this is a circle. So it will be shown here. And we can increase the size of the text and increase the size of this shape to 2. And we can calculate the required ink. So depending on the screen resolution, it calculates the size of the dot and the ink needed. And inputting the price of the bottle and the size of the bottle in milliliters, and calculate, boom, we get the cost of the printing. Yeah, so we can draw any shapes. We can even draw lines, circles, and many more stuffs. So it's purely JS. It's super hard to create it, and we have uploaded everything to our GitHub repository. So our GitHub repository is in the link, and that's it. We click generate. Here we can directly print it and do stuff like that. Thank you. We are proud to announce that we'll be hosting this tool soon, and the link will be available in the description below. Overall, we are incredibly proud of what we've achieved with this tool, and we hope that it will make a real difference in the lives of people with visual impairments. Thank you for visiting our website, and we will look forward to sharing our Braille Converter tool with you soon.